Think affiliate marketing is some shady scam? Think again. It's a respectable industry that includes many top brands. Hi, it's Marie Watkins with Freedom Lab. In this video, I want to touch on the basics of how to get off to a good start in affiliate marketing. So, what is affiliate marketing? It's a simple concept. Promote other people's products and get a commission for sales. So, for example, your website is about home decor. You'd promote Wayfair's products on your site. That would be a good fit. You'd also target your audience with paid advertising to accelerate sales. Researching affiliate programs. You want to make sure that the product you choose is a legitimate, useful product. And what's the commission structure like? Is it worth your while to promote this product? Even if it's a very good product, but there's no money in it, you might want to take a pass. Unless you have some strategic plan in mind that would help you grow a larger customer base. What type of marketing materials does the vendor provide, and the variety and quality of them? That should make your life as an affiliate a lot easier if you don't have to create all of your own marketing materials. And what's the payout frequency and threshold? For example, if you make sales and have to wait until you've accumulated $500 in commissions to receive a check, you might want to consider a comparable program that pays out every 2 weeks, no matter what the amount is. Becoming an affiliate. Affiliate programs are free to join. If anyone asks you for money to join their program, move on. Opening an account with the vendor is fairly straightforward, and that's the first place that you'd start. And then you'd get your affiliate link and post it everywhere that you're promoting the product so that your sales are tracked and that you can be paid. Making sales. Post your affiliate links everywhere that you're driving traffic to. For example, your blog posts, your website resource page, giveaway reports, YouTube videos, and ads, of course. Make sure that you have tracking on your links so that you know where the traffic is coming from and that you can also retarget later to people who haven't bought or taken a particular action that you wanted. The upside of affiliate marketing. One of the great things about affiliate marketing is that it's really low cost to start up. You don't need office space, you don't need inventory. All you need is a good computer and a good internet connection and some cash to get started with advertising, and you're ready to go. There are really high profit margins with digital products. In the physical product domain, however, let's say you're selling products from Amazon, the margins are a lot less. The commissions are very low. However, if you have your site set up properly, this can become a passive income stream that works for you 24/7. There's no customer support on your part. The vendor takes care of that. And your hours are your own. They're very flexible. You can work as much or as little as you want. You can do this part-time, or you can do this part-time working to full-time. And some vendors provide extensive affiliate support. That would be training, additional help with particular situations. They want you to succeed because when you do, they do as well. The downside of affiliate marketing. Okay, so it's not all rainbows and unicorns. First of all, you don't control the product, and the vendor might make some changes that you don't like. The vendor may also discontinue the program, even though it's a good program for you. The vendor may change the commission structure to your detriment, so they might make it more expensive for you to make as much money as you currently are, where you might have to advertise more and work harder. And then the product may become obsolete, and that's just the way it is. So that said, it might be a good idea to diversify and investigate multiple affiliate programs for you to belong to so that you can cover off any or cover off some of the risk. These are just highlights. To read the full post on my blog, click the link in the description below. And thanks for watching. Don't forget, you can see the full post on freedomlab.biz along with other free resources. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button below to get the latest news and updates. Wishing you all the best in your online venture adventures, I'm Marie Watkins with Freedom Lab.